In this video, I will help you to resolve the problem of your Facebook search button being replaced by the Meta AI. So now when you want to search for something on Facebook, you can no longer search. You see that the Meta AI has replaced it. Now, how do you resolve this? So this is what you can do. So let me begin afresh and then you see. So first of all, you open your Facebook app. When you open, it's definitely going to be something like what you're seeing. Then you click on the search button. Then you see that it's showing Meta AI. So when you type whatever you want to, let's say I'm searching for TV3, okay, I'm searching for the page, and they are rather asking me to search in the Meta AI. So when you search for it, you will see the options will come, okay. So when the options come, then you pick the one you want. If the options doesn't come, you will click on the enter or search button on your keyboard. You see, so the options that you want will come and you can choose it rather than clicking on the Meta AI button, because when you click on the Meta AI button, it's rather going to ask Meta AI to give you some answer, which is not what you want. But when you click on the search button on your keyboard, it will actually search for it for you. Or sometimes when the option shows up, you just pick it. This is exactly what you need to do. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.